So we're going to get into these brows. First thing I like to do is grab my Revolution Pro pen in dark brown. I love the Revolution Pro pen because it helps me to go in and create precision on those brows. You guys see I'm creating kind of a bit of a baseline on the bottom and then creating hair-like strokes within that baseline, like right above that baseline. Going in and very lightly, as you noticed, I'm not disturbing my skin. I'm just taking my time and creating hair-like strokes after I've created that baseline with my Revolution Pro dark brown pen. That's the only tool I'm actually going to use to fill in these brows. So along the front, I kind of create hairs in the direction of the brows, like the way that they grow back and away from the face. And then in the beginning, in the very front, I also do hairs in the opposite direction to make them look very natural. It's so funny. People don't realize how thin my brows actually are because of the way that I fill them in. So I'm going to go back in here, do a little bit of etching, kind of build that brow up on the top. And of course, your brows don't have to be exactly alike. They are sisters, not twins. Let's do a little checking there. And take the little spoolie on the opposite end, on the opposite pen end, and just kind of soften those hairs that I've built in and make them look more natural. All right, so I'm going to grab my P. Louise base number 5, a flat angle brush, flat edge brush. And I'm just going to go right underneath and just create a nice clean line. Nice clean line using the P. Louise base in number 5. I chose number 5 because it's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, and it kind of gives me a little bit of a pop on my brow bone, as you can tell. So look at that. It looks so amazing, just so neat, so clean. I love it. Super easy, doesn't take long to kind of make those brows pop, look nice and neat. So that's the beginning. That's where I start my makeup. And then we move into nice, bright, bold eyeshadow looks afterwards. Just kind of take my time, tap, 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 tap. And again, the fun thing about all of these looks is if you mess up, it washes off. It's okay. As usual, thanks for watching. And if you guys have any questions or requests, definitely message me.